guys, this is HairSome John speaking. Today I would like to share with you one electrical shaver. It's a men's shaver. Here is the packaging. It's same packaging. This already white box for the customer artwork design. And here this is a pouch. It's a traveling pouch. Okay, this is a charging VDE power cord. This cleaning brush. Here's the unit. Okay, let's check the unit. The unit blade cap is a 4 blade, and here is a beard trimmer. Here's a charging port. Okay, let's check here the inside. This is a blade, 4 blade. Okay, slide. This is travel lock. Here, turn on the unit. Very good. Okay, it's a spray silver painting. Okay, let's see here. It's the same one. The pouch and charging power cord. There's cleaning brush inside. Here's the unit. Okay, let's check the charging. Okay, so it can be, this is a standard VDE plug. Let's check the charging. Okay, there's a charging indicator light here. It's red indicator light here. Okay, this is NIMH battery inside, so it's RoHS compliant for European countries. Okay, it's very nice body, good, durable. Okay, so if you like it, just send me inquiry. Thanks for watching.